Welcome to the Eifel National Park hosts. Here, experiencing nature and hospitality go hand in hand. With hotels, youth hostels, campsites, guest houses and restaurants, our national park offers a wide range of accommodation. Around 40 certified hosts can be found in the immediate vicinity of the protected area. The owners are committed to the goal of preserving nature in the Eifel National Park and making it an experience for guests. In a way, they are messengers for the protected area and stand for an environmentally friendly and sustainable stay. Whether it's a guided tour, a visit to the large adventure exhibition Dreams of Wilderness in the Eifel National Park Centre, or observing the wild inhabitants of the national park, the range of activities and tours on offer has something for everyone. In addition to comfortable accommodation, the hosts also invite you to the culinary diversity of the region. From a hearty breakfast to a small snack, for in-between meals to excellent restaurants, everything is represented here. When you stay or dine with our hosts, you support sustainability and local communities. Through their participation in training courses and excursions to the protected area, they are also experts on the Eifel National Park and are always up to date on its offers and experiences. They are your guide to the small and large wonders of the national park and help you to experience nature with all your senses. It is therefore not surprising that the certification is based on the 3 pillars of sustainability, and the hosts thus fulfill ecological, economic, and social criteria. Experience the passion for nature and the region and feel welcome with the Eifel National Park hosts.